Okay, superior view
Superior view.
of the
Sphenoid
sphenoid.
bone.
Okay.
Big.
What did you point at? Oh.
Optic canal.
Optic canal.
That's their wing.
Okay.
And then greater wing. And then superior orbital fissure. Foramen rotundum.
Right underneath it. Yes.
Foramen ovale. Foramen spinosum. Body.
Body of the sphenoid. Anterior clinoid process. Right there.
Wait, where?
Yeah, you pointed to it. Anterior clinoid process.
Alright, that's it.
And hypophyseal fossa of the sella
Hypophyseal fossa.
turcica.